Good afternoon, good evening. I just want to confirm my connection here if we're on the right page, we're on the same page together. Just a moment. Okay. Just a moment. What a beautiful day. Okay, please confirm for me on the chat box if you can hear me. Please confirm on the chat box. Can you hear me, Shamsi? Jos, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Please comment on the chat box if you can. Please comment on the chat box. I just want to know if you can hear me. Okay. All right. I think we are good to go. I think we are good to go. Thank you for confirming. Thank you. Last week we had a challenge with our connection and our network. So we recorded, we went through halfway of our AMA session with Timo and Alberto, and a lot of people couldn't hear us. But today, I just wanted to make sure that everything is smoothly running before we get started. Okay. So let's see. Let's just one more minute, then we get started. One more minute, then we get started with our call. Depending where you are, today there's a lot of celebration this side of there's an event, there's a celebration for, is it Easter holidays? So it's a holiday here, down here in South Africa, and I'm not sure where you are and what's happening, but happy Easter to whoever is celebrating, and we really appreciate you for joining us today. We will be going through an amazing update and growth in terms of our development. So before I proceed, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to say welcome to our AMA session. This is, we host our GYMSTREET and Gym Network AMA session, AMA sessions every week, every Friday. And we do all this just to keep you updated, informed of what is taking place within GYMSTREET and Gym Network. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be joined by Alberto, and we'll be taking you through our presentation just to show you what is taking place within GYMSTREET and Gym Network. And I'm so blessed and I'm so grateful today that we are where we are and we are still growing. Slowly but surely we will get to the level where we will be talking of a community, a movement that is taking over the world. All right. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I'll take you through this presentation, and I'll be joined later by Alberto, the system designer, just to take you through of what is happening, and even Alberto will bring some insights on what is taking place and happening in the market right now. So before I can say anything, and before I take much of my time, I would like to say we have so much things that are taking place within GYMSTREET and Gym Network. So ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned, because we have so many developments that are taking place, that have taken place, and that are taking place right now, and new developments that are coming in the near future. As early as next week, let me put it that way, as early as next week. So today we are going to be talking about a number of developments that are taking place and so forth. So before I proceed, I just want to take a sip of water. Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed with our call. So today I will cover also looking at the GYMSTREET developments, and those who are not aware what is GYMSTREET. GYMSTREET is a financial district in the metaverse. So we are building one of the first on its kind metaverse in the metaverse, a financial district in the metaverse. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we do. At the moment, we are selling the land parcels, the NFT land parcels, and virtual miners. That gives you an opportunity to create a financial or passive income or a stream of income for yourself while we are developing a virtual world whereby you can conduct business or bring your brand into the virtual or the metaverse. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we do. And we have so many developments that are taking place within GYMSTREET. And I want to tell you and to have a chat with you regarding to all the updates that are taking place. Last week, we had an update of the reduced blockchain transaction fees within the GYMSTREET platform, whereby you are able to claim your NFTs with a minimal fee, blockchain fees, transaction fees. And not only that, you might be wondering, where is GYMSTREET built on? GYMSTREET is built on the Binance Smart Contract. It is built on on the Binance Smart Chain, and not only Binance Smart Chain, also it will be on Polygon in the next coming months. Those are the developments that we are working on with GYMSTREET. All right. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, recently the blockchain fees were reduced just to enable you, ladies and gentlemen, to have an amazing opportunity to transact at a minimal cost. All right. So with that being said, we have a lot that is taking place. And also not only that, we have the most important that you must understand is that the number of your land and miners you see in the dashboard is relevant, and it corresponds to what you have in GYMSTREET. And also in the next coming months, when the NFT marketplace opens, you will have the opportunity to export or to transact or move your land parcels from GYMSTREET or any to other NFT marketplace, whereby you will be also able to transact or trade your NFTs in any other NFT marketplace. So it means that what you are acquiring or purchasing from GYMSTREET, you are purchasing an asset, a digital asset that you will be able to transact or trade in any NFT marketplace. So which gives you an upper end to say, I'm buying an asset that I'll be able to transact anywhere, all right, because it's on blockchain. So it means that you will be able to transact it in OpenSea, in any other NFT marketplace in Polygon network, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, that's the beauty of it. And you will have that liberty and that leeway to transact within with those NFTs, which is the land parcels. So when you are purchasing this, you are purchasing it at a giveaway price. So before I proceed on that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so excited. I was reading an article of someone that was saying that if I had 38,000 rands, which is a local currency in South Africa, he could have bought, in 2010, he could have bought 38,000 Bitcoins. 38,000 Bitcoins then. So if you had an opportunity to be on the discovery phase of Bitcoin in 2010, You will be today maybe probably a billionaire by just purchasing Bitcoins and holding it. You never know with our GYMSTREET land passes. With the GYMSTREET land passes, we are looking forward that when the wholesale or everything has been sold out, we are looking at a price mark minimum of $300 per land parcel, okay? So you will be able to transact as much as you want, right? So number two, ladies and gentlemen, now another update is that next week, as from next week, things will be made much more easier for you and newbies, okay? Things will be made so easier for you and people that will be coming to join our Gym Network or GYMSTREET, sorry. So with the GYMSTREET, we will have an easy flow whereby you will be registering using your email, your name, that's all, ladies and gentlemen. And we will have our own integrated wallet for the new members, meaning that as a new member, if you don't have MetaMask or Trust Wallet, you will be able to transact, okay? Please, a moment, let me add up, Alberto is joining us right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, Alberto. Our system designer has just joined us. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I was saying to you, from the coming week, we are looking forward to have an integrated internal wallet. That means, what does that mean? You do not need an external wallet. You won't need any external wallet, or new people won't need an external wallet. Let me put it that way. It means that you will be able to use GYMSTREET as it is, and you will have an internal wallet for you to do your transactions within our GYMSTREET dashboard, okay? Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, as already as a user, you have your own wallet, and of which you cannot change it. It is a blockchain wallet. So with this wallet, ladies and gentlemen, you will be able to export your seed phrases from your MetaMask, your Trust Wallet, or Token Pocket, or whatever wallet that you are using right now, and export it to this new developed dashboard of GYMSTREET that will give you an ability to transact with a minimum fees than what you are paying. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, also you'll have the opportunity to swap some tokens within GYMSTREET. So in the GYMSTREET dashboard, as we launch the new developed system, which is the Web 2 developed system with an Web 3 integration of this wallet, it means that you will have the ability also to swap some tokens. At first, we'll have BNB and BUSD. Okay, then in the next, after the testing and understanding that everything is well, there will be addition of Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, so we'll have a number of tokens in this wallet that will enable you to swap. So it means that if you have Bitcoin, you'll be able to send Bitcoin in this wallet and purchase your NFTs. If you have Bitcoins and you want to swap it for Ethereum, you'll be able to transact it within this GYMSTREET dashboard because it has this integrated internal wallet. So, ladies and gentlemen, as an old user, you might be asking, what will happen to me? You will still use your you can also use it via your existing wallets, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, not only that, we have so many good news. You might be asking and saying, what's coming, what's happening here? So there is so much is taking place that will be starting next week. We've got good news for affiliate marketers. So the affiliates, as you all are aware, we've got the affiliate solution layer within GYMSTREET. There is good news for all affiliate marketers. So let's go for it. Number one, the bonus has increased. The bonus has increased, meaning that as if you are in the silver rank, all you have to do is to rank up to gold rank and qualify for this amazing. So if currently you are here, if you're in the silver rank, your goal is to get to diamond, okay? So if you go up to a diamond, this is what you are getting. Just a moment. Let me give you the right figure. So if you come up to the gold rank, you are not going, you will not be rewarded the 1.5, but you will be rewarded $2,300. So here is $2,300. I apologize here. It seems like my slide got corrupted because this is written in point blank. So it means that instead of getting $1,500, you will be rewarded with $2,300. So this is a promotion that will be running in the month of April and the month of May. So in 2 months, you have the opportunity also to get these bonuses as we speak part. So if you are in the gold rank right now and you rank up to platinum, instead of getting the $3,000, you are not going to get $3,000, but you will receive $4,500, ladies and gentlemen. $4,500. Okay? $4,500. And then if you are in the level, in this rank, platinum rank, and you rank up to diamond, instead of the diamond trip, you will not get a diamond trip, but you will receive a cash bonus of $10,000. $10,000, which is amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a promotion that is available for all affiliate marketers, all affiliate marketers. So if you are here and if you are an affiliate marketer and you are interested to, or you are building an organization within GYMSTREET, you have an opportunity here, ladies and gentlemen, to grow and at the same time be rewarded with extra bonus in the month of May and in the month of April and the month of May. So that is it for the affiliate marketers. And not only that, ladies and gentlemen, we have also an interesting, it's here. So not only that, ladies and gentlemen, we also have an amazing good news also for the affiliates. That's not all, okay? This is not just all. We have more good news for affiliate marketers. You might be asking and saying, what is it? From next week, if you invite GYMNET users, GYMSTREET users, and when they purchase, you will receive a direct sale bonus plus 10% direct sale bonus in GYMNET token. That means now your direct sale bonus is 20%, okay? So which means that when you invite Luis, if you invite me, right, and I purchase for $1,000, instead of getting rewarded only 10%, you'll be rewarded 10%, which is $100 in BUSD and 10% in GYMNET token, all right? This will be up to the end of April. This is for April, all right? This is just for the month of April. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are here and you're an affiliate marketer and you are here, you have an interest to share about GYMSTREET, here is an opportunity also to increase your stream of income with the GYMSTREET direct sales bonus, okay, promotion. So this direct sales bonus promotion, it doesn't matter how many people you have invited and they purchase the land passes and miners, virtual miners, you will receive all this direct sales bonus and the 10% more bonus in Gym Network. All right. So it means that it will remain the same, the BUSD payment as the direct sales, plus there is an increase of 10% in GymNet token. Okay. So you're receiving 2 tokens, but the amount is a bit bigger now, which is 20%. Let's move on to the next one. The other update that we have, ladies and gentlemen, when we are looking at, we have currently a promotion that is running, and we'll have new promotions from as soon as possible. As you all are aware, we are running a promotion currently that is ending today, okay? So this promotion is a 15% plus extra discount, which is this extra discount, all right? The promo discount that we have right now at 15% in all bangles, it means that you are paying only these amounts at the moment, okay? This is what you can pay for this 15% extra discount, okay? But this is ending today, okay? This is coming to an end today, okay? So we've got good news for you. That's not just it. That's not just the end of it, but you have an opportunity in these few hours left for you to purchase these NFTs at 15% extra discount. All right. So this is ending, as I said, today, but you have an opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, to get this at an extra. As I've said, this is ending today. So grab your bangles today, right? Grab them today if you can. Grab them today. All right. So we have a new promotion that is starting from tomorrow. Yes, you heard me well. We are having a new promo that is starting tomorrow. But this promotion cannot beat what you have here. Okay? The promotion that is starting tomorrow cannot beat these prices that you are looking at today. So you have an opportunity right now in the next coming few hours to purchase this this promotion. Few hours to go. Once it's gone, it's gone. Okay. Once it's gone, it's gone. Then you will have to wait for tomorrow's new promotion that we are about to talk about, right? So I like GYMSTREET because it gives you an ability to be a pioneer in a new technology, which is the metaverse. And this metaverse is built on the blockchain, meaning that you have the power. The power is in your hands. You have the power. It gives you that power, that leverage to be responsible, to have that 100% control of your digital assets, okay? So you have an opportunity tonight to get these super bangles at 15% extra discount, okay? But this is coming to an end today. Those are the bad news, but we have good news also of the new promotion that is starting from tomorrow, okay? So from tomorrow up to the 12th of April, we have a discount of 12%. So you either have an opportunity today to purchase at 15% discount, extra discount, or you wait for tomorrow to purchase it at 12% extra discount. In all super bangles, 12% from the 8th up to the 12th of April. Then if you say, okay, let's see if it's real, and so is it true. You will have also again an opportunity from the 13th to the 18th of April to purchase at 10% extra discount. It means that the discount are going down. So today you have an opportunity to purchase at 15% extra discount, but from tomorrow up to the 12th, you have an opportunity to purchase at 12% discount extra, okay? Then from the 13th, the discount will reduce to 10%, all right? Then from the 19th to the 24th of April, that discount will decrease also to 8%. Then from the 25th to the 30th of April, the discount will reduce to 5%. So here, ladies and gentlemen, you have an opportunity to utilize this promotion right now before the time runs out, okay? So that's what we have for you today. And just as a reminder, we have our Cash FT debit card, the NFT lifestyle card that was launched recently. You have an opportunity to purchase this crypto debit card, whereby when the boom market has come, you will be able to utilize in transacting or using your Bitcoin by swiping your card anywhere you want. So here, ladies and gentlemen, you will have the opportunity to purchase. You can choose the card that you want from all these cards that are available, from a virtual card to the plastic card, all the way up to the solid gold. That this is the elite club that you will be joining and being part of here, meaning that the service and the limits are very high, okay? So you have an opportunity here to purchase any of these cards in GYMSTREET. So this is a great opportunity for you to transact instead of transacting from an exchange to your local bank account, but you can transact into your Cash FT account and use your debit card or withdraw cash on ATMs in your country, okay? So this is a card that is available globally. Please make sure that you purchase this card as soon as you can, so that you'll have an account that gives you multiple current accounts, which is US dollar, euro, yen, pound, and more will be added as you request them, regarding in terms of if you are in another country like South Africa, if you want rent, you can do that. You can request, okay, for that. So with that being said, we wanted to let you know and to raise awareness that when you are depositing into your Cash FT, when you deposit to your Cash FT, ladies and gentlemen, if you are depositing money using your cryptocurrencies, make sure that when you're depositing Ethereum, number one, Ethereum and the BET, USDC, USDT, only ERC20 tokens should be utilized, okay? So you have an opportunity to use this ERC20 tokens only, okay? Not the BEP20, but ER20, which is in the Ethereum blockchain, okay? So that's very important, and please note to that, so that you don't have to wait for your tokens not reflecting on your dashboard, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, this is very important, and I think I've already spoken about this, whereby you will have your internal wallet within GYMSTREET, where you will have your wallet in GYMSTREET, and you will be able to transact your BNBs, your GYMNET token, and BUSD. As you can see here, you'll be able to send or receive cryptocurrencies or swipe, also to buy within the dashboard. I'm sorry, I was supposed to do this in the beginning, but nevertheless, this is what you'll be able to do with our wallet, Eternal Wallet. So this is just to show you how it will look like, and you'll be able to use and utilize this. Before I give to Alberto an opportunity to give us the insights of the markets, we have GYMSTREET events that are taking place globally. As you all are aware, that we are not only focusing on online marketing, we also believe in the word of mouth and the affiliate marketing part of the strategy of the growth of this new technology, which is the metaverse, okay? So we have a GYMSTREET event that will be taking place in Japan next week. We have an event in Japan. If you are in Japan, please invite someone, or if you're not in Japan, you have friends in Japan, please invite people to join our team. We will have our CEO there and our advisor. They will be there. Also, the team leader will be hosting the team there in Japan, Ashley. So please make sure that you invite people as much as you can. So you might be wondering why, what is important? Why is that key important? It's very important to go to events. If you want to grow and to develop yourself, go to the like-minded groups or people or masterminds. They will show you what you don't know, okay? You are able to learn what you don't know. So the more you learn, the more you earn. That's how life is, okay? So on the 16th of April, as from 1:30, the doors will be open for you to attend this event in Japan. So if you are in Korea, or you're in Africa, or you are in Europe, and you have someone that you know or a friend that is in Japan right now, kindly invite them to join the team in Japan to learn more about GYMSTREET, okay? So this is very important, ladies and gentlemen. This is beautiful and this is amazing. And you will have also the opportunity to experience the GYMSTREET metaverse, okay, by using the glasses and experiencing the GYMSTREET metaverse in this event. So it's very important. Not only that, we also host Zoom calls on weekly basis from Tuesday to Friday, okay? We host Zoom calls from Tuesdays to Friday. As of next week, this week we had a great opportunity where we had the CEO of IMFX showing us and teaching us more about the metaverse and what they are doing behind the scenes in the development of GYMSTREET metaverse, okay? Now we will have a special webinar this coming week with one of our business partner, Amin, okay? Amin will be hosting this, will be part of our Zoom presentations just to show you how to set up a company in Dubai and how you can reduce your tax paying in Dubai. So this is a great opportunity for you to have an exposure to say, if your goal is to become a multi-millionaire or billionaire and you have an intention to acquire or to build a business in or to set up a company in Dubai, this is a great opportunity for you. If you have a desire even to own a company, bank account, or property in Dubai, this will be a great opportunity to come on board and learn more. So not only that, I would like also to remind you that we have all our social medias that you are able to follow on our link tree. So please make sure that you join us on our social medias, and I will go in detail on that after Alberto. I will invite Alberto, our system designer right now, to come and give us a heads up or insights of what is happening in the market, and also a little bit of education, because he is our numbers guy, the PhD professor amongst the team. This is the guy that we go to when it comes to numbers. When I found myself confused, this is the guy to go to in order to have clarity when it comes to numbers. Alberto, you are welcome, and to take us through, my brother. Thank you for joining us today, and we are looking forward to learn more from you today.
Hello, Luis. Well, thank you for the intro. And yes, well, I just wanted to take the opportunity to talk a bit about well, what's going on with the market these days. As you know, the crypto market in general is a market that is affected or impacted by different different other markets, right? The beta, let's say, of the crypto market to the mainstream market, traditional markets, is usually very high, and we can maybe make a distinction here between three different markets and their comparison to the mainstream market. So the mainstream traditional market can be specified as the Standard & Poor's 500. That's the index of the 500 biggest companies trading in the US. And it's a good index because it gives us a measurement or an idea about what's going on with broad markets, because this index comprises a lot of traditional companies. And the idea is that if this index is doing well, it means that the stock exchange in the main market, which is the US, is doing well, right? And then we can use this to compare it to whatever is happening with the crypto markets. And as I said, in the crypto markets, we can speak of three different markets and see where or how each of them are impacted. So the first one is Ethereum. The second one is Bitcoin, and the third one is Binance, the Binance stock or the Binance token. So we can see that the correlation is highest between the Standard & Poor's and Bitcoin, and then second highest against Ethereum, and third highest against the Binance token. And this is important because, as you know, the crypto markets are small, very small in size in comparison to the main markets. So what we can do usually is to analyze the main markets, like the Standard & Poor's, about which there is plenty of information, a lot of analysis and stuff like that. And then try to guess what will happen with crypto markets based on the analysis made on the Standard & Poor's. Because, as I said, since there is a lot more information about the Standard & Poor's, it is easier to read and it is easier to understand what could be happening in the coming months for the Standard & Poor's, and then based on whatever is happening to them and their comparison or the relationship between this market and the crypto markets, then take a decision on or not, in the crypto markets. So yeah, Bitcoin will be the most correlated to the Standard & Poor's, Ethereum the second, and Binance token the third. And in particular, when it comes to the GYMSTREET sector arena project, we can maybe take a minute to discuss what's happening with the Binance token, right? So the Binance token moves very similarly to Ethereum and to Bitcoin. I mean, very similar in terms of being similar to whatever happens in the main crypto markets comprised of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And having said that, there are a few specifications that are different and relevant to the Binance token. And the main one is that the Binance token, as well as other tokens, have been under the investigation of the US authorities. As you know, most of the projects in crypto do not work in the US because the US authorities are the US regulation is very strict when it comes to tokens being traded in there. And in the past 6 months, more or less, since the debacle of FTX, there's been a lot of new regulation coming and coming to Bitcoin, coming to crypto. And very recently, one of these new regulations affected directly the Binance corporation, and of course the Binance token. So when we speak of whatever happens to the Binance token performance, we can look at the main markets, Standard & Poor's, Bitcoin, Ethereum, see what's happening in there, and then guess what could be happening to the Binance token. But to this analysis, we need to also add what's happening to the regulation part when it comes specifically about when it comes specifically to the Binance token. And as I said, in the past couple of weeks, there's been a lot of pressure on Binance from the US authorities. Now, having said all of that, there's been a lot of talk, a lot of menace, let's say, from the US authorities when it comes to Binance token and other projects. But when it comes to reality, the impact is usually not big because, as you know, one of the main important factors of crypto, and in particular Binance, is that it is very decentralized, and it's difficult to really attack one of these projects or platforms in a very in a good, efficient manner. And this is not the difference because when it comes to Binance, trying to attack it, it's very hard. And the fact that it's proving very hard for the US authorities is what is showing that the token being a bit weak, like the rest of the market, it's not doing awful, right? I mean, if there was a very high chance of the US authorities going for Binance and doing harm, let's say, then the price of the token will be very much affected. And this is not the case that we are seeing in the market. So I think it's important to discuss or to be aware of these dynamics when you look at the markets, because you can be making the wrong read, right? Because there are many pieces of news every day, and you can be looking at the specific piece of news that came out today, and maybe this piece of news informs your analysis, and it's the only thing that you're looking at. When in reality, there are many things that are having an impact on the price of a very particular token at any moment. And even if today there was a big piece of news regarding Binance or regarding Ethereum or regarding any of the tokens you're looking at, I think it's more important to have a profound and more broad analysis of what is happening with the market. And I think any of these deeper analysis need to start with, okay, what makes this token move? And correlation is a very big part. And what are the specific factors of this token that can make it perform in a better or wrong way than the rest of the market? So having said all that, in terms of the broad market, the main crypto market, Ethereum, Binance, Bitcoin, then we can talk a bit about the GYMSTREET token. The GYMSTREET token, as you know, is part of this crypto ecosystem, and of course is affected by the main dynamics that happen in the market. And we can see, and we will talk about this, I guess, in coming sessions. We have seen in the past year that the crypto market in general has been weak, and this been because of the fight against inflation and the tightening of interest rates and the tightening of liquidity. And of course, this has had an impact on the main market and also in some of these smaller tokens than Bitcoin or Ethereum, like, for instance, the GYMSTREET token. As I said before about correlation, the correlation between a token such as a GYMSTREET token and Ethereum, for instance, is pretty high. But the beta is higher, meaning that if Ethereum moves 10% down, a smaller token that is also represented by crypto, like GYMSTREET token, instead of moving down 10%, may move down 30%, right? Because the impact is greater in a token with a smaller liquidity, as is the case of GYMSTREET against Ethereum, for instance. So this is, of course, something to keep in mind when you're looking at the movement or the performance of a token, because you may see, I don't know, GYMSTREET token going up 10% or going down 10%, and think, oh, something big may has happened. And in reality, maybe not. In reality, probably it's been a very short-term move derived from the fact that Ethereum has gone up 3% or has gone down 3%. And this is why it's important to have in your mind a long-term plan and act accordingly, because if you are short-term buying and selling and all that, you are not going to be getting the main reward coming from any market. And I think that's important to have in mind. And this is why, in the coming weeks, we will be having these conversations about, what's happening in the markets and what's important to take notice of in the markets, so that everybody gets a better understanding of what our market's like and what to look for in order to make the best decisions. So yeah, I think this was a good intro for today's AMA. And in coming weeks, we will be exploring some other topics that I think can be interesting when it comes to looking at the markets and thinking and making decisions about the tokens that you hold and what to do with the GYMSTREET token in particular. Thank you. Luis, do you want to close it from here?
Absolutely. Thank you, Alberto. So I just have a quick question. When you're talking about long-term mindset or plan, when you are into crypto, usually what are you looking at? How many years are you looking at? I'll give you an example. I was with my my coach last year. He was telling me that this year we are going to purchase a number of currencies, of cryptocurrencies, and the currencies that we are buying, we are not buying them for 2023 or 2024, but it's a game plan that is beyond 2025. And his game plan is that after the 2025, he's retiring based on the strategy that he's using. So is that the long term that you're talking about, or there is a different way of what you're talking about, the long-term plan in the crypto market?
Right, yeah. So I think when you're looking at a market such as new as crypto in particular, you need to keep in mind that the market has only been around for 6-7 years. So when you're thinking long term in this particular market, I am looking at maybe 5 years. That would be a good long term let's say perspective, for this market. And the thing with this is that it moves, right? When crypto is 10 years old, then long term, maybe 12 or 15 years, long term. So it varies and it depends. I think as of now, looking at this with a 5-year perspective, I think it's good.
Awesome. So as you heard for yourself, GYMSTREET users, 5-year plan in the crypto market is kind of like good for you. And not only that, I know other investors in the crypto space where they purchase cryptocurrencies, and they were saying that they have never ever sold one Bitcoin that they ever bought years ago. Some people are saying they keep up buying more cryptocurrencies, more Bitcoin on top of what they have and what they have been keeping. So the best strategy, as our system designer here, you said, have the mindset of a long-term plan in the crypto market so that you can see a greater benefits or greater opportunity or greater reward in the crypto market. So thank you so much for that, Alberto. I noted that. So now, Alberto, you touched on the 3 components that are affecting the markets. You spoke about the interest rates that are affecting the global market. I know in US, they've got their own interest rates rise. And even here in South Africa, we have a great increase of interest rates that are outstanding. Someone that has been paying for a mortgage for, let's say I'll give you for 15,000 local currency, 15,000 rand. Today, they are paying about 22,000 rand, which is more than 4,000 rands on top on what they were planning. So it means that when they got that mortgage at a price that we're saying, I can afford this with my pay on monthly basis at 15,000, but now it has increased drastically to that kind of amount, that making it so much difficult for a normal individual to pay their mortgage rate. So Alberto, if I heard you correctly, you spoke about the interest rates in the global market affecting the crypto market, and not just talking about the cryptocurrency. And there's a third point that I missed. What was that third point?
I'm not sure I'm understanding you correctly, the question, but yes, when it comes to the relationship between interest rates and currency prices, of course, you can see that as interest rates in the US, for instance, become greater, then the US dollar becomes more attractive, which means the rest of the currencies will suffer. And for instance, the price of the rand, which is the South African currency, against dollar will be worse. So the rand will go down against dollar. And of course, the same happens with cryptos, because if the dollar is more attractive, that means that people will be more interested in buying dollars and selling Ethereum, for instance.
Awesome. No, thank you so much, Alberto, for that. That's an eye-opening conversation for all of us, as you all are aware, and you heard for yourself that the market also follows the move of the mother of all cryptocurrencies or blockchain, which is Bitcoin. And we have heard for yourself that the takeaway for today is that when you are into crypto, have a long-term plan, a long-term mindset to say that I am getting these cryptocurrencies, or I'm purchasing these cryptocurrencies to hold them at least 5 years. So you might be saying, oh, 5 years is too long. But guess what? You might be asking yourself in the next 5 years to say, what did I do 5 years ago? All I did was to buy coffee, buy McDonald's, buy KFC, or what did you do with the 30 rand, $30 that you had, $100 that you had, $500 that you had, $1,000 that you had? So this is the right opportunity. As you head for yourself, the best plan is to think long-term. So with that being said, we are coming to the conclusion of our session today. Before we call it a day, I would like to invite you and remind you again to follow us in all social media platforms, and so that you can stay updated, informed, even educated, like Alberto right now was educating us of what is happening right now in the crypto market and what we should be expecting in the next coming few years due to what is taking place right now. So please make sure that you follow us on all social media. This is our link tree where you can find all the links to all our social media: Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, and all other social media, even our YouTube channel. So ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite you again to subscribe on this channel, and also follow us on other social media, and join our Telegram group, so that you can have the hands-on or the first-hand information at your disposal. So ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, thank you so much for joining us today. And Alberto, anything to say to the community and the users of GYMSTREET?
Well, I think you've spoken well about the updates for the project and what people can be doing in the coming days and weeks, to take more advantage of of the platform. And yeah, from on my end, well, just what I said before, about coming to this with the idea of learning, understanding, and making decisions for the future you instead of for the present you, because this way you are looking into the future and they're more likely to make the right decisions. So yeah, thank you, Luis.
Thank you, Alberto. Thank you so much. Alberto, for your time and even spending and giving us that knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to say thank you for joining us once more today. And we are looking forward to seeing you next week in the same place. And I want to give you a heads up and even salute you for being a leader in the metaverse space, and not only a pioneer. As I'm saying, you are a pioneer because the metaverse is at a discovery phase whereby not everyone or more major people know about this new technology, but you have taken a stand to say, I want to be amongst the pioneers of this technology. I salute you. And not only that, and I would like to say thank you. I just appreciate you for taking the leadership role in this new technology. Also, leading by example by saying that I have seen and I've heard, I've discovered, I have seen this technology, I've heard about this technology. I choose to take a leading standpoint of view in making sure that I participate in this new technology. And remember, the fact that you are a leader and a pioneer of this new technology, you are adding value even in GYMSTREET by being part of GYMSTREET. Remember, the biggest organization all over the world are organizations that are networks. Like Facebook is a social network. Like Google is a data network. Like Bitcoin is a value network. Not only Bitcoin, not only, we've got also Amazon, which is the retail network. So the fact that you are part of this new discovery phase of the metaverse, it means that you are increasing value to this network in the metaverse network. So I'd like to say thank you and heads up to you. And for sure, you deserve to be uploaded because this is a new technology. No one knows where it's heading to, but you chose to take a leading and a pioneering position. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are looking forward to seeing you next week, same time, same place. And remember, from Tuesday to Friday, we host webinars where you learn about the products that GYMSTREET is bringing in the market, and also not only that, to learn more about the metaverse and other opportunities that are out there in order for you to create a stream of income for yourself and leave legacy for your children. So thank you so much. Stay tuned and let's keep in touch on Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and in all other social medias. We'd like to say thank you so much. Have an incredible weekend, and we are looking forward to seeing you once more again next week. Have a great evening.